live in a toxic soup. And in case you didn't know, there are over 80,000 chemicals in our environment. Many of them we don't even know what they are or what harms they might cause because they haven't been researched. And the more we learn about the chemicals in our environment, the more we're realizing they're carcinogenic, meaning they cause cancer, and they're toxifying us. And that's one of the reasons that some of the new research that's coming out is indicating that we need a detox.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe.
And by detoxing, you just happen to lose weight. By detoxing, you happen to revitalize your gut microbiome. And in this video, we're going to tell you how we have been healing our gut microbiomes and how we have reversed, or Penelope has reversed, PCOS. I don't think PCOS was even around when I was younger.
Interesting. Yeah, it's become a new surge with Ozempic. Not sure why, but I'm interested in doing correlations. And comment down below if you have an idea about why. I lost over 160 pounds now with no loose skin, and I had PCOS and I reversed it.
You thought
naturally.
that, and the doctors were like, oh, you can't lose weight if you have PCOS. That's not true. We have members in our group who are reversing their PCOS. Penelope reversed her PCOS. And here's the problem. The doctors can't even give you anything if you're diagnosed with PCOS. They're like, oh, sorry, maybe you should go on birth control. I don't recommend it. That's actually not a solution for PCOS. Why do you even get PCOS? It's from imbalance in your hormones. Why might you have imbalance in your hormones? Maybe because your gut microbiome needs to be attended to. Unfortunately, your gastroenterologist doesn't have the information, unless he's a very savvy one, about what we're learning these days about the gut microbiome. So we're here to tell you what we do, what we eat in a day. So in the morning, I like to start the day with like lemon water, although I am taking a break from lemon water right now. But usually I start with lemon water. Yeah, the enamel on my teeth was, wearing thin.
Crazy.
No, but also our lemon tree isn't producing lemons right now. So I figure maybe just take a break while the lemon tree isn't producing.
Smart. She eats with the nature. I like it.
I do, yeah. So lemon water in the morning on an empty stomach. I also take some amino acids. That's what I've been doing lately. I haven't told anyone about that. That's like a big announcement. Yeah, no, leucine actually helps with fat metabolism as well as healing the gut. So amino acids are great.
I used to start my day with a green berry smoothie when I was on my journey.
What are green berries?
Sorry, I meant a green berry smoothie, which means there's greens and berries in my smoothie. And our smoothie hack video is now out, so you guys can actually go find that down below.
Nice, yeah. And then a few hours later, after I do some exercising, I'll have a matcha latte, and that just has some matcha powder and some collagen in it. And I do a variety of different things in my matcha latte. Sometimes goji berries, sometimes some schizandra.
I drink coffee. I don't really think that helps or doesn't help with your PCOS or gut microbiome.
Oh, green tea is known to help with balancing hormones. It's a top cancer-fighting food, and it's an incredible food for weight loss as well with the L-theanine. It's great for attention and
probiotic yogurt. Biff, build the biff.
Yeah, you do that. And then I have a smoothie with microgreens and mint with some freshly made sprouted almond milk and some protein powder that's made from sachi-ichi, pumpkin seed, and chaga. Yeah, that is so, so good. But I know what I do is kind of extra. I mean, and I'm not saying this because, oh, I want to show off and I'm so great. It's not about that. It's about like, this is just what I eat every day. And I don't think that you should eat what I eat. I'm just sharing with you what I eat in a day. Now, I think the bottom line about breakfast is that like give your body some time to wake up and get hydrated and then caffeinated if you want to do that. Or not. I would recommend Tulsi tea if you don't want to get caffeinated. Or even some dandelion tea. Yum, yum. So good. Or some chaga, like as a coffee replacement. Just some superfood. So yeah, hydration is so important. And then we love to have a lighter breakfast. Now, some women really love to do like eggs and I don't know, spinach or whatever. So it depends kind of like on you and your metabolism and stuff. I like to
what you're doing. Like what you do in a day matters and when you do things. So
occasionally I'll have like a more hearty breakfast. I might have like millet with some mung beans or some roasted mushrooms with some spinach. But are you getting the drift here? Like everything is high veg and everything is, for me, is like high vibe. So I want like food that's going to give me energy and not take energy away from me. So if I had like a muffin that's full of like white sugar and white flour and bad oils, like that's just bad news. And that's not good to build the good bacteria in your gut microbiome, and it won't help to balance your hormones.
But you can make my muffins if you go on our Substack, and those will give you energy, and they don't have white flour or white sugar in them.
Right. I mean, today I was jogging my mind. I actually did a memo for our group, and I was like, I can't even think of a muffin I would buy out on the marketplace that's adequate.
0.
And you can buy sometimes the frozen paleo ones, but this video is going to be way too long if we go this deep into each meal. So I got to cut myself off here.
Lunch is sauerkraut and salad. You always have sauerkraut and salad, basically no matter what.
Pretty much, yeah. But my salads never are the same.
And guys, her salad isn't just romaine lettuce. It's not just arugula. It's arugula and onion and tomatoes
And dandelion.
and dandelion
And onions.
and garlic and onions and olive oil and apple cider vinegar.
And sometimes roasted vegetables, sometimes steamed vegetables, sometimes I don't know.
Salmon. She's
Yeah.
not actually vegan.
Sometimes I also do like beans,
Nuts, hemp seeds, pumpkin
Yeah.
seeds, walnuts.
Yeah, our salads are elaborate.
They're gorgeous. Check out our Substack.
Absolutely. Yeah. I mean, listen, I'm like a good bowl is definitely one of the keys
mastered that.
to building a solid gut microbiome and weight loss and satiation, because all
Okay.
3 of those things have got to be great, and a killer dressing, it's got to be had.
We gotta talk about snack and dinner because a lot of people eat dinner and snack.
I mean, dinner time, I don't really eat a huge dinner.
So let me just tell them because you've been talking a lot, okay?
Okay.
You eat. Okay, you guys, mom has an avocado with honey, and honey,
Oh.
where you source your honey is really
yeah.
important. I almost every day. Or almond butter with an apple or a nectarine. Right now it's nectarine season.
Yeah.
Or an apple, and she does apple with lemon juice a lot. Yeah. Or she'll have a handful of her sprouted, very elaborate walnuts that she makes with cinnamon and stevia.
So good. Actually, the last batch I made was soaked dates.
I noticed they were clumpy.
Candy walnuts.
I made candied walnuts.
But not so candy.
Right. So, okay, that's great.
Raw sprouted.
Sometimes she does have salmon for dinner. She'll just have a piece of salmon or half a piece of salmon.
Yeah.
You're very, crunchy, like an almond mom, because you also eat olives.
Uh-huh.
You also snack on...
Like at 4 o'clock, I get really hungry.
Oh, she snacks... This is such a hack for you guys. She snacks on almond milk or walnut milk lattes.
Oh,
And
yeah.
she makes them with rose. What else?
Oh, ashwagandha, again, collagen. Sometimes I'll make it with maca.
Sometimes you're a bunny rabbit and you eat carrots or celery or cucumbers.
Yeah, cucumbers, I love those. Yeah, dinner's kind of like a free-for-all for me. I just like to snack a bit. And
She
I
has
try
a
to
girl
cut it off.
dinner.
I try to cut it off around
You
5.
know what a girl dinner is?
What's a girl dinner?
A girl dinner is when you have a plate of random stuff, like walnuts and cucumbers,
Oh, really?
and apples and oranges.
Like we can't decide?
Yeah, so you just pick up random. Well, it's also a girl dinner because girls take care of everyone else.
Oh, well, actually,
they
last
just
night I
kind of-
had dinner, though. I had dinner.
Dinner because you
Yeah.
went for a swim.
I went for a swim, and then I made this delicious cauliflower with yellow tomatoes and red onions. It was so delicious. And then I made a parsley chermoya, and then I drizzled that on top, and it was like extra extraordinary.
And she didn't film it or take any photos.
I thought so, but it was kind of dark already. And then I had arugula salad with a little bit of lemon juice, and the whole thing was just like divine. I made scallops.
I just think you're a chef.
I love food, and I think you should too.
You're making me really hungry.
I believe that we should be able to lose weight and be healthy, eating abundantly, and food is your medicine. Now, your food could be making you sick, and it could be totally disrupting your gut microbiome. And you could be wondering, oh, why do I feel so fat, sick, and tired all the time? Well, probably it's because of what you're eating or what you're making. And so I would strongly suggest that you learn some new skills. Master 4 to 5 recipes this month that are healthy, like really healthy. If you're curious what that means, comment down below. We're happy to engage with you in the chat and do some little education. Join our program.
Education.
Yeah, join our program if you feel like you're ready. I mean, you might not be ready financially, time-wise. It is an investment. It's an investment in you. So stop serving all those other people and stop all those bad relationships you have that are non-reciprocal. Eating foods that take your energy, having friends and family that are taking your energy, like reel it in.
Reel it in. If you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. Oh, well. Don't forget to follow all of our social medias down below. Please support our mission helping as many women as we can by subscribing to our Substack. We'd really appreciate it. We love making content for you guys, but we can't keep doing it if we don't have support from you guys too. So please, if you want to, if you've been wanting to help us and support our mission in a larger way, we would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to our Substack. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we will see you all the time.